Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, 8:37 a.m., a poem. As I sit and thought, something comes to my attention and my interest. So I ponder it for a while, till it comes out in words. Question: who knows more than God? And how does God choose the right dog? When there is no man or woman on earth that isn't already a God themselves. So I ask, who knows more than God on earth? For it can't be man at this time. Maybe man is. All just questioning thoughts in my mind. And thinking at the same time, questioning if these thoughts are of the universe, are of one mind, love. Being careful and letting it all flow as the river to the sea. Wide open ocean. There is no right or wrong answer to me. Just what makes spiritual sense. My body adrift in the open body of the sea. Just here, understanding who knows more, me or a dog, God.